The United States Constitution is the supreme law of the land and the foundation of American democracy. Written in 1787, it was designed to bring order, unity, and structure to a new nation that had just won its independence. It begins with three powerful words: "We the people." These words remind us that the authority of the government comes from its citizens, not from kings or rulers. The Constitution is a contract between the people and their government. The document is divided into 7 main sections called Articles. Article 1 gives power to Congress to make laws. It describes the structure of the legislative branch, made up of the Senate and the House of Representatives. Article 2 outlines the powers of the President and the executive branch, responsible for enforcing the laws. Article 3 sets up the Supreme Court and the judicial branch to interpret the laws and ensure they are applied fairly. The other articles explain how states work together, how the Constitution can be changed, and how federal laws are above state laws. One of the most important features of the Constitution is its ability to be amended. This means it can grow and change over time. The first 10 amendments are known as the Bill of Rights. They were added in 1791 and guarantee basic freedoms such as freedom of speech, religion, the press, the right to bear arms, and the right to a fair trial. These rights protect individuals from government abuse and ensure liberty and justice for all. Since then, 17 more amendments have been added. These include the end of slavery, the right to vote regardless of race or gender, and the lowering of the voting age to 18. Each amendment reflects a step forward in the nation's journey toward equality and fairness. The U.S. Constitution is more than just a historical document. It is a living framework that continues to guide the country today. It balances power, protects freedom, and ensures that leaders serve the people. Even after more than 2 centuries, it remains one of the most influential documents in the world. From its bold beginning to its lasting legacy, the Constitution stands as a symbol of the enduring strength of the American people and their commitment to democracy.